Question number 6, he said summation where n varies from 1 to 10, all the integers in between 1 to 10, minus 1 to the power n. That means what you can do is minus 1 to the power, first is n is 1, then summation means sum of all the terms, minus 1 to the power n is 2, minus 1 to the power 3, minus 1 to the power 4, and it is going up to minus 1 to the power 9, minus 1 to the power 10. So 1 to 3 up to 10, minus 1 to the power n, and varies from 1 to 10. So what you can solve, if you solve it, whenever odd power will get a negative, whenever even power will get positive 1. This is minus 1, and then this is, we got plus 1. So this will be cancelled, this will be cancelled, and as we have even number of terms, all the terms will be cancelled out and we'll get result 0. General term is given as an square plus bn plus c. First term a1 is 10, a2 is 19, a3 is 32. Find beside a, b and c. Find the values of these variables a, b and c. A1 is given 10. If you find A1, you will get A plus B into 1 plus C, and that is given 10. A2. A2 means it is 4A 2B plus C, and A2 is given 19. A3, that is 9A plus 3B plus C, and that is given 32. Now we have three equations. We need to solve these three equations. First, take first and second. Second minus first. What you will get is 4A minus this is 3A plus B. C and C cancelled out is equal to 9. And then subtract third minus second, you'll get 5A plus B is equal to 13. Now solve these two. That is, if we separate these two, this minus this, we will get 2A, B and B will be cancelled out, is 4. So you got A is equal to 2. A is equal to 2. If you put in this equation A is equal to 2, then your B will be 3. A is 2, B is 3. From equation first, A is 2, B is 3. You got C is equal to 5. So your answer is A is 2, B is 3, and C is 5. Just write it down.